we will have our example of solving problem involving function. So we have here example 1. Let f of x is equivalent to x squared plus 3. Find f of 2, f of 0, and then f of negative x. So this is negative x. Okay, now to solve this problem, all we have to do is to substitute the value of x as 2 if we're going to find f of 2. Substitute the value of x as 0 if we were going to find f of 0. And then substitute the value of x as negative x if we're going to find f of negative x. Okay, to solve this problem again, we will write this equation. F of x, that is equivalent to x squared plus 3. So find f of 2. F of 2, okay, x will be substituted to 2. So instead of writing x here, we will make use of 2. So 2 raised to 2 plus 3. So we substitute the value of x as 2. So that 2 times 2, that is equivalent to 4, plus 3, that is all in all equivalent to 7. This time, we will find f of 0. F of 0 is equivalent to, substitute the value of x as 0. So for this case, that is 0 squared plus 3. So 0 squared equals 0 plus 3, that is equivalent to 3. Next, we have f of negative x. F of negative x. So substitute the value of x as negative x. So negative x raised to 2 plus 3. So that is equivalent to negative x times negative x equals x squared. Positive x squared plus 3. So these are now our solution to this particular problem. This time, we will have another example. So let f of y equals y times y minus 2 raised to 2. Find f of 4 and f of x plus 3. So again, to solve this problem, instead of writing y, we will write 4 as our y for this f of 4. And instead of writing y, we will write x of x plus 3 for this f of x plus 3. Okay, so I will rewrite first our equation or function, that is f of y is equivalent to y times y minus 2 raised to 2. Okay, this time we will substitute or we will solve f of 4. So that is equivalent to, instead of writing y, we will use 4. So y here is 4 times 4 minus 2. Substitute the value of y as 4 because we're going to find f of 4. So 4 minus 2 and then raised to 2. So that is equivalent to 4 times 4 minus 2, that is 2 squared. 2 times 2, that is 2 squared, equals 2 times 2 equals 4 times 4, that is equivalent to 16. Next, f of x plus 3. F of x plus 3. So instead of writing y, we will make use of x plus 3. So we have x plus 3. And then for this case, that is, so I will be using a bracket. Instead of y, I will be using x plus 3. Y minus 2 minus 2 squared. Okay, so that is equivalent to x plus 3. This time x plus 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 equals 1. So x plus 1 squared. x plus 1 squared. Okay. Now for this case, we will expand because this is x plus 1 raised to 2. Now for the expansion of a binomial, say for example, we have x plus y squared. So similar to this one. Okay, so to expand this x plus y squared, we will have multiplied first x by itself. So x times x equals x squared. Next, we have the exponent 2 times x times y. So 2 times x times y equals 2xy. So plus 2xy. And then multiply the other variable by itself. Y times y equals y squared. So this is how we expand our binomial. Again, x times x equals x squared. 2 times x times y equals 2xy. And then y times y equals y squared. Okay, so this time we will expand this one using this format. So this is equivalent to x plus 3. And then expanding this one, you have your x times x equals x squared. And then 2 times x times 1 equals 2x. And then 1 times 1 equals 1. So that is how we expand x plus 1 squared. Okay. Then this time, we will distribute this x to our x squared plus 2x plus 1. So x times x squared equals x cubed. And then x times 2x equals 2x squared. And then x times 1 equals x. Okay, and then plus 3 times x squared. So again, your 3 will be distributed 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. So 3 times x squared equals 3x squared. And then 3 times 2x equals 6x. And then 3 times 1 equals 3. Okay. So this time, combine like terms. So we only have one x cubed. There is no other x cubed. So x cubed. And then for x squared, we have here 2x squared. And then we have here 3x squared. So we will combine this one plus. So 2 plus 3 equals 5x squared. Plus 5x squared. And then for x, we have here x plus 6x. So we have here 1 plus 6 equals 7x. Plus 7x. And then we have here 3. Number 3. So this is how we solve f of x plus 3. And then f of 4, we have this one as our final answer.